Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to post privately on your Tumblr application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just get into the video.
So to how to post privately on the Tumblr application on your for your Tumblr account, it's just going to show in this video. To post the post on privately, first do this, follow this step. Click on the pencil symbol to post as usual. Then now if I just took a image, a blank image, I just need to post it as privately. So click on this three dot option on the top. Now you have this option called post privately. Select this option, click on the done option. You can see there is a lock symbol near the post. So this is how you just post privately on your Tumblr application. Click on this post, click on the post privately option, and then just click on the post now. So this post will be privately posted and no one will see that. It will be on your account. So with a lock symbol, it shows it's a private. This is how you just post privately on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.